Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Excel and create a new workbook using the blank workbook template. Begin by setting column headers in row 1 and freeze that top row for easy viewing so you always see labels while scrolling. Choose a descriptive file name and save the file immediately as an XLSX to preserve formatting and formulas. Adjust default view to normal or page layout for your workflow, and set up a consistent file name convention like project name date v1 for version control. Use consistent data types in each column to keep sorting and formulas accurate. Mix numbers and text cautiously. Apply cell formats for dates, currency, and percentages like 3. 5% or 5,000 so values display correctly and aggregate properly. Convert ranges to Excel tables to enable filters, structured references, and automatic banded rows, and name those tables for clarity. Align text and numbers, wrap long text. Set column widths to fit, and start formulas with equals, and use functions like sum, average, VLOOKUP, and if to calculate totals, averages, lookups, and logical results. Add data validation rules to limit inputs, for example whole numbers 1 to 100 or a drop-down list of allowed items, which reduces errors from manual entry. Use named ranges for clarity. Apply absolute references with $ when copying formulas, and audit formulas with trace precedence and dependence. Protect sheets or ranges and save backups to prevent accidental edits and maintain a change.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.